In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can access phpMyAdmin on the Digital Zone server. To do this, we need to open up a new tab in Chrome. Now, once we've done that, we need to then log on to the Digital Zone server phpMyAdmin. To do that, we need to go dzone, Matthew Flinders, mfac.edu.au / and then we can put in phpMyAdmin. Now, this version of phpMyAdmin is a shared account. So therefore, every student in the class has access to this one phpMyAdmin. So it's actually set up with groups, etc. So what we need to do is log into this. Now you'll have an account name. So I'm going to continue to use the 012031 account, and then you enter in the password that has been given to you. You'll notice that the username and the password is a little bit different from the FTP client in CyberDuck. So remember that they're two different things. So when you click on Go, make sure you save the password. This password and user account also needs to be used when you create your connection PHP scripts. So make sure you take note of the username, which is the year you graduate, and your student ID, and the password that's given to you, and click on Go. Now once you log in, you'll have a database here. At the moment there is a database in there, it's called TBL Students. I'm just going to select that at the moment, and you can see the data that's in there. If you wanted to, you can select the database up here, and where the student is, drop that table and go OK, and you'll notice that it's now removed. So when you first log in, you'll notice that there's probably no database at all. So how do we import? Well, the same way we used on the Raspberry Pis, you can go up to Import, choose the file. If you've used Mockaroo to create the file, you can just go to your desktop. You probably have a student file there that we've created. Click on Open, and then click on Go. And because it has the SQL create table query, you'll notice there's 1001 queries that are run. And once again, we have data within our database. We can go through and do searching and all the functions that we've done with the Raspberry Pis and doing PHP. So once you've created your tables, you might perform some SQL searches, and then you can take the syntax of this back to your PHP coding. When you finish, you can log out, and it's probably a good idea that you bookmark this address so that you can log in easily when you're in the Digital Zone or at home to be able to do your PHP and MySQL. So I hope you found this tutorial useful on how to get to your phpMyAdmin, also how to log on and import a database, and how to log out again.